Friday, May 15th, 2020. Friday morning, 10:30 a.m. Join Captains Chris and Elise in Fort Pierce for a virtual boat show. We will be guests of the Krogen Express, both the dark blue one on my left and the light blue one on my right. So join us on Facebook. Look us up at CaptainChrisYachtServices.com, or you can look down at the bottom of this posting and we'll give you a link that you can click onto so you can link direct to our live boat tour Friday, May 15th, 10:30 a.m. And look at the forward bow locker. Look at that big Bomar hatch to get down, or Bowman hatch, Freeman hatch, son of a gun, Freeman hatch to get down inside. The big spade anchor, the pilot house, the fly bridge, the Europa cabin and aft deck cockpit, and the dinghy up on the roof. So if you've got any questions about what to do on Friday, May the 15th at 10:30 a.m., you can ask my buddy Dave right here. Where are you going to be Friday at 15th?
I'm going to be right here
on the Krogen Express. All right, look down here where I've got the link. Click on it. See you Friday. Bye-bye.